In this section, we're going to see how to dictate your text directly into PowerPoint rather than typing it. And this is kind of a nice feature within PowerPoint, so check this out. If I go and click within here to go and add a title, normally I'd click there and I'd have to start typing using the keyboard. So I want to type in the words search engine optimization. So instead of typing, if I go up here and click on the little microphone, now this microphone, there's a couple of things you need to know. Firstly, you've got to have a fairly decent microphone connected for the best results. You've got to have a nice quiet environment without any extraneous noise. So you want the background noise as quiet as possible. It really will help if you invest in a decent microphone, maybe a sort of headset microphone, and quite an expensive one with noise cancelling capabilities. And that way you'll get much better results by doing this. But anyway, let's give it a try. So I've clicked within here. All I have to do is click here and type in the words I want to appear. So in this case, I'm going to type in the word search engine optimization. Let's give it a try. I'm going to click now. Search engine optimization. And click again to switch it off. There you are, absolutely perfect. I have to do a little bit of manual editing because I'd like those in caps maybe. But it got all the words right, I just had to change the capitalization. If I click here within the subtitle area, what I'm going to do is add the words by David Murray. So let's give that a try. By David Murray. There you go, spot on. You can go and create a new slide, and up the top here I want to have the text something like what is search engine optimization. So let's give that a try. So I'll click here. What is search engine optimization? Okay, in this case it wasn't exactly right. It's put in what is your search engine optimization, but just going there and deleting that is far easier than typing the whole thing in. Again, I might want to add caps there, just so it looks nicer. But we'll click down here, then we'll try a longer paragraph of text and see what happens. Search engine optimization is a technique for promoting your website visibility within the search engine results. Okay, that's pretty much spot on. So it takes a bit of getting used to. As I say, you have to talk slowly and distinctly, and as I say, it really will help if you have a decent microphone. But I think you'd appreciate that. That's not bad. And as I say, you can produce an entire presentation now purely by dictating rather than typing.